Your air conditioning is probably still in thousands from you. It's not your fault. I used to be like you, loud air conditioning, losing money. But now I'm able to sit next to my super efficient, extremely quiet air conditioning system. Look, this thing's on. And I'm able to make ridiculous videos like this. The fact is, your system is getting older and less efficient, while electricity rates are going higher and higher. Not store credit, not meta money, real money back in your monthly budget. Here at New Age Air, we help customers daily. Whether you're looking for low monthly payments or to pay in full, we could help coach you on how to invest in a new central air system that'll help you save hundreds, even thousands. If you're interested in getting a proposal today, click the link below.